As you guys probably already know, this Saturday, September 2nd from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., I'm going to be hosting an open house in this beautiful new construction single family home in the Cutler Bay area, which is listed for $849,000. But today I want to share with you all what your monthly payment and cash to close would be if you decide to buy this property with 5% down or 20% down. Take a look. This would be the scenario if you would purchase this property with 5% down. As you can see, the purchase price is $849,000. We are going to assume that you're going to get a 7% interest rate on your loan. 5% down payment is actually $42,450 plus closing costs. You're all in for $67,920 all in to purchase this property with 5% down. And if you add the principal and interest, taxes, private mortgage insurance, and home insurance, your monthly payment is going to be approximately $7,132.17 because this property doesn't pay association. But if you're not a fan of paying the private mortgage insurance, you can put 20% down, and this will be the scenario. So you come in with $169,800 of down payment plus closing costs. You're all in for about $195,270. Your total monthly payment comes down to about $5,935.40 for 20% down scenario. Don't miss out on this opportunity and come check us out this Saturday at our open house from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. at 21400 Old Cutler Road in Cutler Bay. Any other questions you guys know, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.